Welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we will be seeing a peculiar North Indian dish named as Dhokla. So let's get started. For this we will require about 200 gram of besan flour, one full lemon which is squeezed into juice, pinch of turmeric powder, salt for taste, a pinch of fruit salt, and then add sufficient amount of water and then mix it very well so that it is in this consistency, neither thick nor too watery. Set it aside and then take a bowl in which the batter has to be poured. You have to grease it well with oil so that it is not sticky. So now pour it gently into the bowl. So now this has to be placed into a steamer. So once this is ready, gently place it inside the steamer without hurting the hands, and then close the lid and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once the dhokla is ready, place it over a white plate and then take it out gently. So here our dhokla is ready. Now just add some flavors to it. Our dhokla is ready, and then garnish it with some nice coriander and some coconut. Not really very well. See how fluffy it is. So try this recipe with your friends and do comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.